Hello mga my loves! Today we are going to try the Subway sandwich, no? Yung tinapay nila doon. So, i-try natin. Actually, Subway is just here along Walmart. Ayan mga mahal. So, let's go ahead and let's check it with Roberto down here. Tignan natin siya and we'll buy some, no? For our dinner and lunch combined. So, here we go mga mahal. Nandito tayo sa Subway. There you go, Subway galore. What? Okay. Which one is the best? She already put some on there.
The meat.
Yeah.
What else you want on there?
What are the choices? I don't have that. That's my food. And I like the vegetables. Which one do you want, love?
Chicken breast on beef. What cheese is that?
Super yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Super yummy. Diba? Yummy ng kanyang preparation. And they have some cookies as well. It's nice. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
And sweet onion sauce.
You like the sweet onion?
I know if it works.
Here we go, mga my loves, and we have the delicious, super yummy delicious bread, Footlong bread, and I think this is yours. This is in, what do you call this? Subway. O, diba, Day? Oh, yummy, Day. Napakasarap, Day. Napakasarap. See, this is only 500 pesos or what do you call this? $10 or $11. 550 pesos. Napakasarap. Diba? Yummy. So here we go mga mahal. Actually, I'm just holding right now. No? It's here. That's our super delicious. Napakasarap na. So I like Subway because their bread is really amazing. I love it so much. The one that I actually order is the ham and bacon. Masarap siya. Yummy. How about you, Robert? Masarap?
Masarap. Chicken.
It's chicken burger. This is a very delicious bread here. And it is located just here in Walmart area. And it's yum, yum, yum. Diba? Napakasarap. And I have this drink. We don't eat breakfast, so this will be our breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Sarap talaga. Napaka-perfect. Thank you so much for supporting us always. And this is once again, makulay na buhay USA. Diba napaka-shallow dahil? Thank you so much and God bless everyone.